Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll tell you 10 lines essay about the plants. Number 1. Plants are living things. Number 2. Plants give us oxygen. Number 3. They clean the air. Number 4. They maintain the ecological balance. Number 5. Plants give us food. Number 6. The study of plants is known as botany. Number 7. Plants are found in many shapes and sizes. Number 8. Many plants have medicinal qualities. Number 9. These are the plants that reduce global warming. Number 10. Plants are necessary for humans to survive. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.